Some vocabulary differs in British and American English, yet they give the same meaning. Here are some of the main differences in the vocabulary between them. We'll start with the British English first. Lorry, while the American English, truck. Autumn, fall. Barrister, attorney. Bill, in the restaurant, check. Biscuit, cookie. Flat, apartment. Bonnet, for clothing. Hat. Bonnet, for car. Hood. Boot, trunk. Chemist's shop, drugstore or pharmacy. Chest of drawers, dresser. Chips, fries. The cinema, the movies. Crossroads, intersection. License, license. Dummy, for baby. Pacifier. Dustbin, garbage can. Film, movie. Gearbox, for car. Transmission, holiday. Vacation. Lift, elevator. Maths, math. Motorbike, motorcycle. Pavement, sidewalk. Petrol, gas or gasoline. Rubber, eraser. Sweets, candy. Timetable, schedule. Trousers, pants. Underground, for the train. Subway. Windscreen, windshield. Zip, zipper. Queue, line.